Hello everyone, welcome to this session. So today's session we are going to talk about the 5 tips for working safely from home. So nowadays more and more people are working remotely. So although we may be happy to stay in our home, we have to remember one thing: our home is not specifically designed for work. So if you have to spend 8 hours a day in front of a computer, you maybe end up with a physical or mental strain because if you don't have the right setup. So for that, today I'm going to share 5 tips to work safely from home. Let us talk about the first one. The first one is invest in peripherals. Okay, so such as computer monitor, keyboard, headset, or mouse. Okay, this will enable to look at a large screen, and it further, it will reduce our eye strains. Okay, nowadays I believe that most of the companies are they are giving fund to buy this kind of peripherals, so make use of it because this is very important. If you are working from home for long more than 8 hours, so you have to be with the right peripherals. So this is the first tips which I would like to share. And second one is an ergonomic workstation. This means arranging a furniture and device so that you can use them efficiently and comfortably as possible. Okay, this is some common setup that you have to maintain in your home. For an example, your elbows has to be always in a 90-degree position, and then your eye and the monitor height would be no needs to be same. So and then you have to maintain your always the same posture while working from home. So these are the things that you have to look at when you are doing working for long hours. For example, use some cushion chairs or put book under your screen to raise it. Suppose if you don't have the height of the monitor, you can use some book, no issue with that. But if you do this for hours one day and then every day, you may strain various muscles in your body. So better uh, first, before you start your work, set up this kind of workstation, and then you go with your regular work. And then third one is, which is very important, as we call it as a frequent break. Okay, take break as much as often. I always used to keep my water bottle away from my workspace. So this will enable us to go some do some walk and then get some water. Okay, this is how we need to take some break. So in an office we tend to move around a lot, but whereas at home we stay stuck in front of our computers for hours. So don't forget to take a frequent break, even just a few seconds, to stand up and stretch your joints, so that would help us, to remove a stain or make more refresh. And then fourth one is use cell phone. So for example, if you have attend a long online meeting, join the meeting from your phone, so you can move around while listening instead of being, sitting at one place. It will help us to make a small frequent walk while having your meeting. I have a colleague who uses a pedometer, that used to count thousands of steps, so which completes each day during a meeting. So she used to kind of this meter to to check how many steps that she has doing, during meetings. So this is likewise we have to use cell phone when you come with some long duration meeting, so that will help us again, to work safely. And then the final one is standing. Okay, instead of sitting, try working at your computer while standing. Place your arms by your side and look for a surface. Put your laptop on at somewhere in upward positions. Change your posture regularly will help, avoid muscle strain. So the standing, often if you have in a long meeting, suppose if you can't able to move, then you can just do a change your posture by using standing, and then relax your muscles, so that would help us to, remove your muscle strains. That's all, friends. That's all I have today. So I hope these tips would help you to work safely from home. Please, in case if you have any other tips, please put it on your comments, and stay safe, and see you there in the next video. Thank you all. Bye.